Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Hala. I'm a director of H-Zone Tracing Company. Our business was formed 2015. The reason why we formed the business is to assist people with information. As I've said, we are doing investigation and tracing. We want people to be assisted with the information, any kind of investigation and tracing. If you want to contact us, you can contact us on 011 051 087, or you can send us WhatsApp on 079 63 83153. We based at Poko section 293 Zamela Street, Katlehong 1431. Hi, I'm Hala and I'm a township entrepreneur.